So when we designed this kitchen, it had to do three things really well, right? Number one, it's a fully functioning family kitchen, right? 2 kids, 2 dogs, 2 adults, 3 meals a day. It had to take a lot of abuse and still look great for the second function, which was a studio kitchen. If you've watched any of our content, we designed this space to also be a studio. Island in the middle, a really big cooktop, a nice background, and kind of 2 sinks because you need to get to one from everywhere. Third, this is also our R&D space, right? We've written a bunch of cookbooks, we create content. All that recipe development has to be done right here. The old thinking in kitchen design was creating triangles, right? That perfect triangle between the stove, the sink, and the refrigerator. But you know what? Working in kitchens for 20 years, none of that makes sense to me. So I designed this kitchen to create specific work zones, right? I think kitchens need to have work zones. So there's Allie's work zone, right? As the pastry chef, she has her mixer, she has her scale, she has an entire magic corner of all her tools plus access. And this is my space. This is the hot kitchen space. I have a full 48-inch range here, dual ovens, dual fuel, so electric oven, gas range, plus a griddle over here. It's important though that each zone has everything they need. So don't forget, my zone also has its own sink. So I put a smaller hand sink with its own trash compactor in there. And also, a waste area. So this is a self-contained area. Moving on, this wall is pretty fancy. It is a network connected oven. It is electric, it's convectionable, there's a broiler in there. Our first way to get caffeinated, this is a full coffee station, espresso station. Here, I keep this little creepy art student mug. It is kind of like, it's a little Easter egg, a Tila Easter egg when you watch our videos. Full-size built-in fridge. And then let me show you the gadget area. This is like the dude gadget area. I have a full size chamber vacuum sealer here that sits over a combi oven. This is microwave plus convection. It gets super hot. I also really like using an air fryer. I think it gets a lot of heat into a small package. And of course you get the theme, more caffeine. I would not function without coffee. So there's a little glimpse into a chef's kitchen, our Tila kitchen. I hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you later.